Hey guys, welcome back to Dwood Reviews. You have got to check out these new magnets I got. They are neodymium rare earth magnets. They are very strong and about 10 times what a normal magnet would be. I find them extremely useful around the shop, especially where I do woodworking and laser cutting, but I also find them very valuable in the house for hanging stuff on the fridge that's a little bit heavier, or in some other aspect in the house where you might need to have a strong magnet. What I like in the shop is, I'll show you some examples here. I use it with my laser bed. It's very strong and holds material down while I'm cutting it. Or when I build something that people have ordered and it needs a magnet on it for possibly holding knives. You could use it in the kitchen as far as putting it on some piece of metal background and having knives being able to attach to it and keep them in an orderly fashion. If you like videos like this, click that subscribe button. Doesn't cost you anything but helps me out a lot. These come in a variety of sizes. This is the 1.26 size, which is basically 1.25 inches. Then they've got little small ones, bigger ones. They've got square ones, rectangular ones, ones that look like bars, all kinds of different shapes and sizes, some of them with attachments already on them. What I like about these, they come with the spacers in there, so they're easy to take apart, but as you can see, they are very strong, and hopefully I don't hurt myself here, but shows you how strong they are. If you have a need in your shop or in your kitchen or house for very strong magnets that are extremely useful, these will be the right choice for you. If you're interested in some of these, click in the link down in the description and get yourself some.